Hello students of class 6. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 3, that is Windows 7. So Windows 7, what is Windows 7 first of all? Windows 7, this is about the operating system. We are going to study about our operating system, computer operating system Windows 7. So in this lesson we'll see about some important features of Windows 7 like media player, about multiple windows, pictures, disk cleanup software, pin and unpin options, among others. Okay, so first of all, here comes the definition I have underlined here about Windows. First of all, what is Windows? Windows is an operating system developed by the company called Microsoft. So what is operating system? It is the interface between various hardware devices, also between the user and the computer also. So it is interface, means the word interface means how the hardware communicates, with various other application software. Like for example, when we type in MS Word through the keyboard, so how the alphabets of the keyboard is communicated to the computer with the help of Microsoft Word, how you are able to type in Word with the help of keyboard. So that thing is done by, that interface is given by the operating system, so that the keyboard works properly as well as the application software Microsoft Word works properly. Among Also among various hardware devices, all the hardware devices like the CPU coordinates with the keyboard, mouse will communicate how the mouse will communicate with the keyboard and the monitor. So all these things are, this communication system is established by the operating system, and Windows 7 is one such operating system, which is a graphical based operating system, GUI, that is graphical user interface. Okay, the communication is done with the help of some graphics. You get the pictures like icons, buttons, etc. So that's why it is called graphical user means we the people. How we suppose we have to click on this button, so we'll click on the button, no? So this is a graphic, this is a button interface. You are clicking with the mouse, the interface is given by the operating system, how the mouse is, when you click the mouse of the button, how it opens up this one menu. So this is about Windows 7 GUI based operating system, and its popular features are listed here. It is very important, so you have to understand these features. Speed, compatible, so Windows 7 is faster. Compatible means many applications are compatible with Windows 7. Lower hardware requirement means lesser RAM, lesser hard disk space is required. Okay, not so much. Start menu with a list of program and applications. So when you click on the start menu, list of application. Okay, taskbar and notification area. So this is the taskbar. This long bar is called the taskbar. So whatever programs are running is appearing here. Okay, and the notification. This is the notification area where you get the important notifications here. Okay, and other, this is another tool, Windows snipping tool. So many other features are there, some of them are listed here. And Windows 7 was introduced in the market with three editions: home, professional and ultimate. So here among these three editions, there are some features are there in ultimate which are not there in home premium or professional. Okay, so lowest is the home premium. For general home purpose, house purpose, home premium is used. Okay, other professional means office, for office purposes, etc. So some of the softwares we do not need at home, so for that home premium is used. So likewise ultimate is also there. It contains many other features which are not there in the other two. Okay, next comes about the desktop. What is desktop and what is desktop background? So these definitions are here. So what is desktop? The first screen when you see after starting the computer. So when the computer, this is a desktop with all the icons, and the background picture here, this picture is the desktop background. Also it contains folder, So when you open a computer, suppose here, you can see the folders here. So many folders are here. So you get the folder which contains files and other folders. So when you click on a certain folder, you get the names of other folders as well as these are files. The yellow ones are the folders. When you click on this one, you get the file. Okay, so that is folders and file. We can create, move, copy, delete files and folder. So you can create, suppose if you want to delete, just right click it, and then from the option you select delete. You can rename, so on. Okay, so these things can be done with the folders and files in Windows 7. So this is the desktop window. What are the things available here? Icon, start button, taskbar. This bar is called the taskbar. Here is the show desktop. This one, if I this is show desktop. Desktop appears immediately. Okay, and the desktop background. Then comes desktop gadgets. There are some gadgets on the desktop, like here I have one gadget here, one gadget here, which shows the time and all. Okay, this is a calendar. Okay, so here, from here you can get the desktop gadgets. Here if you click on gadgets, you get the different types of gadgets. You can click on weather. Okay, Windows media player, CPU meter. This is a CPU meter I am having. You get the clock also. If you want the clock, so click it, the clock appears here. Double click, the clock appears. So in this way you can get some desktop gadgets on the screen of the desktop. These gadgets are nothing but small apps, applications. Like you have applications in the mobile phone, so it is same as apps in the mobile phones. Okay, so this completes the first part of this lesson, first video. In the second video we'll start discussing from the media player.